If you guys are sick and tired of clutter on your ladder, stick around, guys, because I have got what I consider to be the best ladder organizer to date. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to declutter your ladder. Now, if you guys have a problem with tools hitting you on top of the head, this is your new toy. All right, I want to say right now, the business out of the way, I am an affiliate. I do get commission on this. I'm only promoting the things that I love. So if you see it on here, it's definitely good. All right guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's get the business out of the way. First of all, I am an affiliate with Racketeers. So I will leave links down below to this ladder organizer. I'm telling you, I'm only promoting the great stuff on my channel. This is amazing. Now, if you use my link, it will help me gain a little bit of commission, and I put that money right back into these videos to keep on going for you, to show you and bring you nice, awesome stuff. Now the business out of the way, let me tell you about this. If you have a helper or yourself and you lay things on top of the ladder and you go to move it and it comes and hit you on top of the head, this thing is your new friend. Now, I will say this, when you get it, you get this little bag. It has dividers in it, 3 of them. It also has some spacers, which we're not gonna use because I have no ladder that needs those. All right, those spacers, those dividers go right here into these little slots that you see. I think you can see them on the camera. Now, when you use those, it divides it into 3 different spaces. Now, I've used them twice, and I put one side in there for wire nuts, and the other side was all my other stuff. So, if you're a carpenter, you can use all the bins, right? Or 2 of them, or 1 of them. They're great for nails, for stud hangers, or whatever you call them, joist hangers, whatever you want, right? You can put your drill in there, your hammer, screwdrivers, your nail pullers, whatever you want. Electricians, screwdrivers, hammer, drill, so on and so forth. Painters, all right? You have a quart. As you can see, it's a circle, and then it's got a square, and I believe a 1-gallon can will fit in there perfectly. It won't slide around. So this thing's really universal for any trade. If you're on a ladder ever, this is your baby. Like I mentioned, I am an affiliate. I do appreciate it if you guys decide to buy it, to use my link. It really helps me out, guys. All right, I'm gonna show you guys real quick how this works on a ladder. I'm gonna load it on a ladder and put some stuff in it, like a drill and some stuff. I don't need a whole lot of stuff today for what I'm doing, but I'm still gonna load it up so you guys can see how universal and how awesome this thing is. So without further ado, let me put the ladder down here. I'm gonna show you. This area I'm working in is so freaking beautiful, guys. It's just amazing here. All right, so all you do, you see it's got these little feet, or whatever you wanna call them, hooks. You just put it on your ladder, push it down, or you can turn around the other way, right? Put it on this side. Whatever side is easiest for you, all right? It's completely universal. It works on wooden ladders, aluminum ladders, and it keeps your stuff organized. And I'm telling you, look, let's say you're gonna move your ladder, right? All right, well, let's move it. Boom, right? You get up on your ladder, you got your stuff right here, and you're ready to go. This is handy, like a pocket on a shirt, guys. I'm telling you, it is totally amazing. Look, you can see I'm pushing pretty hard, and it ain't going anywhere. So you've got, it says it'll hold 25 pounds. I honestly believe it'll hold more, but they've got to put that rating on there. I'm telling you, it's pretty amazing. So what I want to say about this is, you see I got just a few things in here. Now, I want to tell you really quick, because it's important. These dividers, they're angled. If you put them in the wrong way, they're not going to go. I'm going to show you right here on this one. And you're going to be thinking, what the hell? You have to make sure that you put them in the right way, because if you do, watch how easy this thing falls into place, right? Boom. Now you got your dividers. Like I said, usually I only put 1 in here because that's all I need. Right now I just put 2 in here so you can see, but you can fill them up completely if you wanted to. And you see I got the drill in here because that's pretty important. So what I like about it is it's not pulling the trigger while it's sitting in this holster per se. So you take it out, right? Put it back in. No drill on. This thing is really nice, especially for 12-foot ladders when you got to go all the way up there. You know, you can load your stuff on the ground, take it up 1 time, right? Take this thing up 1 time, and you got all your stuff right there on a 12-foot ladder. Because I've worked on a 12-foot ladder so many times where I had to either get down, have somebody throw something up, and that really sucks. So now you see the benefits of using that. Organization on your ladder is key to not letting stuff fall on top of your head, guys. It's just night and day. Helps you 100%. Now, if you guys want to see how to wire up a sub panel, I got a whole series on that. Video will be coming up right here. I will see you guys in that video. If this video has given you guys any value, make sure you smash that thumbs up and subscribe. God bless, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Have a great day.